Introducing Rondo CERT-R-FIX. Step 1. Drill a hole using the correct size hammer drill bit. Step 2. Clean the hole, ensuring you remove any dust or materials using appropriate engineering controls. This is a critical step. Not cleaning the hole can build up dust at the bottom of the hole, effectively reducing your hole depth to be under the minimum requirements and may cause damage to the fastener. Step 3. Attach the CERT-R-FIX fastener to the correct size socket and ensure the fastener is perpendicular to the concrete. Apply pressure against the fastener and rotate to engage the first thread. Continue to tighten the fastener until the flanged head is firmly seated against fixture. Use the maximum torque guide and do not over-torque the fastener. Step 4. Look and check that the fastener has been secured properly. Additional components may follow with the CERT-R-FIX CT06 fastener. Installation is complete. For more information, visit rondo.com.au.